Welcome back to Indulgence by TCAM. Of course, I'm Tammy, and yes, Marcus is manning the camera, so he's not going to be in this particular video. Or should I say he's here, but he's not here. Wave to the camera, Marcus. Yay to everybody. Anyway, we are going to be doing, well, actually, I went ahead and unboxed the fragrances. And just to let you know, these are going to be the fragrances that I hope to be using for spring and summer. And I also went ahead and grabbed up new wax. I'm not going to talk about that too much yet because I want to explore with it to see whether or not if that's going to be a wax that I'm going to include within Indulgence by TCAM. If it's no good, of course, I'm going to swap it. You know what I'm saying? But nevertheless, like I said, I'm going to test it out first and then I'm going to keep you afloat as to what's going on with the new wax. But without further ado, let's talk about these fragrances. Let's see what's going on. First one up is going to be our Sea Salt and Orchid, right? Let me know in the comment section if you've ever smelled Sea Salt and Orchid, or whether or not if you've worked with it, or you're just like absolutely new to it and you're waiting for me to tell you what it smells like. Sea Salt and Orchid never fails. Smells absolutely inviting. I smell the orange notes. I'm getting that sea salt. It's definitely giving like beachy vibes. You have that light musk and amber as well, along with the tonka bean is not really coming through, but definitely you're getting somewhat of the citrus and the beachy fragrance notes. And I can guarantee you, if you get the Sea Salt and Orchid, if you've never worked with it before, you're definitely going to fall in love with it. This might even be your best-selling candle. It smells really good. And I could also see myself using it as a reed diffuser as well. Like, yeah, I could see myself going, like literally going all in with this fragrance. It's going to be worth it. It smells so good. Worth the price, definitely. And by the way, I forgot to mention, every fragrance that we're going to be talking about in this particular video is from CandleScience, of course. CandleScience is one of my like faves, so I'm gonna continue rocking out with purchasing from CandleScience. Next fragrance is Bohemian Rose, and let's see, I'm not a rose type of person when it comes to fragrances because it's usually a hit or miss. Okay, all right. The Bohemian Rose, I'm not gonna say that it's a miss. It might be a hit, and the reason why I'm using the word might is because I want to see what it smells like cold throw and hot throw when it comes to making candles, or even reed diffusers. It definitely smells good. All right, I'm getting basil, like this herbaceous type of basil, magnolia, and patchouli. So you're getting that combination of slightly herbaceous, but you're also getting definitely those floral notes as well. Yeah, I think this is going to be a hit. It smells really good. It really does. If I were you, like if you're going to try it out, if you've never tried it out before, I would go for maybe like the 1 ounce bottle or even the 4 ounce before investing in a larger size bottle. Now here's the thing, in the comments on the CandleScience website, a lot of people said that they like the Bohemian Rose fragrance. They said that basically usually rose fragrance is also a miss, but for them, they like the Bohemian Rose from CandleScience. I have yet to work with it, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. The next one is gonna be White Eucalyptus. I've never tried White Eucalyptus before. Oh, this smells good. It smells refreshing. All right, I'm getting spearmint. I'm getting lemon. I could smell a little bit of sea salt and mint. Definitely mint. Yeah, I think the spearmint is coming through for me more so than any other fragrance note. It smells really good. It smells good. This is definitely one of those fresh smelling candles because, you know, not everybody likes the whole floral thing and not everybody likes the deep musky smelling candles. You have some people that prefer more of a fresh minty type fragrance, and this is definitely it. White Eucalyptus is definitely a hit. All right, the next one we have is ambered vanilla. I hope I'm saying that correctly because it's definitely not vanilla. Vanilla, if you will. And let's see, ambered vanilla or vanilla. Ooh, this is good. Anything amber, in my opinion, or vanilla is always a plus. Okay, I'm getting vanilla for sure, amber, patchouli, and musk. And you must try this one. Let's see, the next one is going to be cactus flower and jade. Let's see, cactus flower and jade. What are we working with? Oh, this is floral and refreshing all at the same time. All right, chrysanthemums for sure. You're like, what? Yes, it's like if you've ever been to a garden, that's exactly what it smells like. And we're getting patchouli as well. And I don't want to say like fall leaves, but maybe more like green leaves, if you will. It smells like springtime. That's what it smells like. Springtime in a bottle. And as you can see, I went ahead and the ones that I wasn't like 100% sure about, I kind of went ahead and got the 1 ounce. And I know you're like, oh wait, you weren't sure about the Bohemian Rose, but you got the 16-ounce bottle. That's because I was crossing my fingers and hoping that the Bohemian Rose was going to be everything, because I want to kind of use that for my Mother's Day candles that I'm going to be making for Mother's Day. So I was like, you know what? If I get the 1 ounce and it smells really good, and I go back on the website and guess what? It's not there. It's sold out. Then what? Right? So I was like, you know what? Just take the chance and invest in the 16-ounce. And guess what? If it doesn't work out, then you're just going to have to lose the money on that one. You know what I'm saying? But nevertheless, hopefully it works out really good. Next fragrance is going to be Egyptian Amber. And I've used Egyptian Amber before in the past. It never fails. Ooh, touch my lip. Definitely sandalwood. Getting tonka bean, leather. Wait, let's see. Light. Yeah, I'm getting like a light musk fragrance note as well. And it touched my lip again. So throughout the entire video, my lip is going to be smelling like Egyptian Amber. This is definitely a staple, all right? A staple in your fragrance line, so to speak. Definitely a staple. But nevertheless, I do have this in a 16-ounce. I have it in the back in a 4 ounce as well, and this is another 4 ounce bottle. So I do have a lot of the Egyptian Amber. I just figured I'd order some more. Next one up is going to be Lavender Embers. Never smelled this one before, and I'm hoping for the best. Okay. Woo! Woo! Lavender Embers. Wow. This one is quite a fragrance. Now, here's the thing. Sometimes fragrances, they don't smell the best during packaging, but when you make a candle with it, or you use it as maybe a reed diffuser, it will smell pretty good. But it's a lot to get accustomed to. I'm not gonna lie. Wow, I'm kind of glad I only bought this in a 1 ounce. I'm a little bit on the fence. I'm not sure whether or not if I should purchase this in a larger size, because here's the thing, right? Let's be honest. A lot of people like things. Okay, how should I say it? All right, help me with this one. Not because it smells a particular way to me means it's gonna smell that way to you. This might be your favorite. Everybody's smellers are different, right? Like I said, it might work out for others, so I'm not gonna knock it and push it to the side and say, dang, I'm not gonna use it. But I would definitely keep it just in case somebody wants a candle with the fragrance notes of smoke, patchouli. I'm also smelling cedar, eucalyptus as well. You know what it smells like? a smoky Vicks. You ever smell Vicks vapor rub? Add some smoke and cedar to it and put all three together and you have lavender ember. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not smelling the lavender. I'm not. But it is smoky. Now here's the thing. This might make a great male candle, believe it or not. So I'm not gonna kick it to the side. I'm gonna see how the cold throw and hot throw goes when it comes to this candle. I'm gonna burn it and see what happens. You know what I'm saying? Maybe invite some people over, and when they come on over, hopefully they don't say, oh my God, Tammy, your house smells stink. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully they fall in love with the scent. But it's starting to grow on me. So I'm gonna say that the lavender ember is more of a acquired scent, right? Moving right along to our Summer Bliss collection. I had to get it. I just had to try this 8-pack. 1 ounce candle fragrance. All right. And let's see what we have. We have star fruit and kiwi. Summer collection. Let's see what we're working with. Woo, this smells refreshing. It smells really good. I can smell the fruit, of course. I smell star fruit. I smell passion fruit. I smell mandarin. Definitely mango. Woo, this is good. Guava. And I smell that little bit of amber and sandalwood. But this is good. Ooh, star fruit and kiwi. I'm going to be smelling like Egyptian amber, star fruit, and kiwi. Touch my nose again. Like, girl, what's wrong with you? The next one is Azuri Coast or Azure Coast. I more so think is Azuri Coast. All right, let's see what this smells like. Okay, I'm getting that ocean vibe. Yeah, it smells amazing. I smell honeydew. Honeydew is one of those fragrances that no matter what you add it to, it always seems to pop and just come through all fragrance notes. Sandalwood for sure. Musk, just a little bit. But I'm definitely getting that marine ocean vibe as well, along with the honeydew. And this smells amazing. This smells like a spa candle, beachy vibe type candle, and even just a summer, just imagine like, right, a summer day and you're out maybe like in a villa or even just like beachside. That's what that smells like. It smells amazing. Speaking of beachy vibes, I have Beechwood within this collection. And let's see what's going on with Beechwood. Beechwood smells amazing as well. Deep fragrance notes for sure. It smells like, I'm getting sage, believe it or not. And it smells like grass, patchouli, definitely sea salt. And teak wood. Yeah, this is good. I think the teak wood is the most prominent note for me in this Beechwood fragrance. All right, next one is Celle de Mar or Celle de Mer. Celle de Mer. I've been wanting to smell this for a very long time. I don't know what it is. I've always wanted to order it for like a year already, but never got around to it. I've ordered so many other fragrances, but for some odd reason, I never got around to ordering this one. Oh yes. Cardamom, musk, orange, and amber. Oh yeah, this is good. This is good. This smells like money right here. Not literal money, but it smells like it will make somewhat of a high-end smelling candle. Oh yeah, this is luxury. It smells good. It smells really good. The next one is Coconut Soleil. Coconut Soleil. Let's see what we have here. Woo, this is good. Pineapple, coconut, banana, lip, top lip. Let me see. Tonka bean and vanilla. It smells a little bit like vanilla extract. Yeah, this is good. Coconut Soleil. summer vibe. I want to say spa vibe as well. And this would make a great reed diffuser, not to mention candle, of course. Smells amazing. Citrus Sunshine. Well, I'm assuming the name's citrus, right? Sunshine. I think you could kind of figure that one out. I've never used this one before. I don't know if you have. If you've used this one before, let me know what you think. How's the cold throw? How was the hot throw, right? How was the candle? And if you've done reed diffusers or even car fragrances, let me know how it held up. And I don't even have to get close. I'm getting bergamot. I'm getting that citrus, orangey, like mandarin orange peel type of vibe. Pineapple and lemon as well. Yep. Hence the name, right? Citrus. But it's not like a crazy, strong, overpowering citrus that smells kind of like, it just smells, it smells really good. It smells like a tropical type of citrus. Yuza Blossom. Yuza Blossom is another one that I wanted to order for a while. Just never got around to it. It's crazy, right? Let's see what Yuza Blossom has to offer. Bergamot, of course, but it's very minimal, okay? And for those of you who have never smelled bergamot, it's very citrus. I have bergamot element in the back as well, and it's very citrus, and a lot of people love it. Okay, I'm getting mandarin, which is mild, right? It's like plain in the back. Definitely amber as well. Jasmine and sea salt, along with grapefruit. So this is more like it smells amazing though. It's more like a citrusy type of slightly floral, if you will, fragrance note. This is giving beach vibes as well. Beach vibes and spa. Oldie but goodie. And this is our Caribbean teakwood. All right, let's see what this has to offer. Oh, it has to offer everything. This Caribbean teakwood is offering every single thing possible. Teakwood, of course. I'm getting cloves. Yeah, if you go to the cabinet and you have cloves and you like literally take the cloves and rub it up in your fingers, you're gonna smell that you're gonna see that the teakwood smells like clove as well. Definitely sandalwood. You're getting that little spicy bit from the peppercorns. Allspice. I know a thing or two about allspice, all right? And definitely leather. I have leather in the back and I smell leather in here as well. Yeah. But anyway, my loves, that's about it. All right, that wraps up our candle fragrance unboxing. And yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. I gotta be honest. Everything smelled really, really good. The only shocker was the lavender embers. And after a while, it started to kind of like grow on me. And I'm like, well, just like certain foods, it becomes acquired, right? But for the lavender ember, like I said before, I was definitely getting that smoky element of flavor. Not flavor, but element of scent. And it's not as bad after all. It really isn't. It really isn't. Now that I kind of like, I'm starting to process it and think about it. But yeah, that's it. If you haven't gotten your hands on the Summer Bliss 8-piece 1-ounce set, definitely get it. I gotta be honest, nothing in here smells bad. Everything smells amazing. The good thing about this is I'm gonna try to get all of these, right, the 1 ounces in 16-ounce bottles and just keep it, because I got a feeling for summer they're gonna be sold out. Seriously, especially after watching this video. This is good. Anyway, my loves, that's about it. We are finished. And yeah, of course, I'm gonna come back next time and we're gonna talk about did we talk about wicking last time? I don't think so. I think we talked about candle wax, so on and so forth, but next time around we are going to talk about wicking. And if we spoke about the wicking, then of course we're going to talk about the candle wax. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and we will keep these videos coming. Thank you so much for tuning in to Indulgence by TKM, and we'll catch you in another video.